Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make text to video in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to make text to video in Canva. Just open Canva and then in the search bar just type video, or you can see this icon video, just click on it. After that, select the size of the video you want. I will select this video 1080. And then in the left sidebar, just scroll down. And then you see here Magic Media. Just click on it. And then after that, select Videos. And then here in the box, enter 5 words to describe. Okay, let me write, for example, blonde woman with long hair walks in the jungle with a dog. After that, click Generate Video. Now here you need to wait between 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, it's done. For example, if you don't like the video, just click Generate again. And now just here you can watch the video. Just click on it. And then here, right click and then set video as background. Okay, let me play the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to make text to video in Canva. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.